Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how we put together our family goodie bags. It's kind of a new thing for us this year. You know, we turned 60 and we're trying to simplify things. And so I picked up these huge bags. Hopefully you can see them. And they're reusable. So I picked these up. We're grandparents now. Empty nesters. You know, there's that commercial out there, don't be like your parents, but there's something that we love. Our mother-in-law always gives us these bags, and she fills them with items that are specific to us and that we can use. It's just a combination of things, and I'll kind of show you a couple of them and see what you think. But there's no wrapping. You just throw the gifts in, put some tissue paper on top, and you're good to go. You're not carrying a million gifts to someone's house, right? And yeah, I know the kids like to open a million gifts, but it'll be okay, because I think for me, this is so much more fun to look in the bag and take things out. So let me know what you think as grandparents or empty nesters, if this is something that you would do. And then for friends and family, we typically just mail out Christmas cards, and it's just keeping everything simple. It's saving money, plus it's, you know, things that they'll use throughout the year, and the bag is reusable. So just a few things. This is my granddaughter's bag. And just as an example, she likes Barbies. And I won't take everything out, but she likes orange soda. So, yep, there you go. In the bottles, real glass bottles. Some goldfish. So that's hers. And then I got a different bag for our grandson. A Lego set. He likes Legos, so I got these blocks. They're like candies or something, gummy candies. He loves to draw. And his drink is root beer. My granddaughter likes to read, so of course there's books in there. But just some treats, not over the top. Again, keeping it simple. In my daughter's bag, she's a nurse, so I got her some nurse compression socks because she's on her feet all day. And then I got her an hour massage. So that's a gift certificate for my son-in-law. It won't quite fit in the bag, but we did get him an Instant Pot because he cooks for all of us, which is awesome. He is just amazing. He's an amazing chef. So his died, and so it was time. And so anyway, it's just things that they will use and appreciate, and it's personalized. Because we like to do things as a family that are event oriented. Yeah, I think that is good for any family. Try to do things together and enjoy your time together, meals. I am so blessed that my daughter only lives 45 minutes away, so I do go visit at least once a week if I can. It's kind of hard because of our schedules. I work nights. My husband, he works a swing shift, and so it's kind of hard to schedule family things, but we do try. So I hope that each of you have a very Merry Christmas, and let me know in the comments what you do for Christmas as far as gifts, any time-saving advice you have, any money-saving advice you have. The second part of the video I wanted to do today is to kind of go over some of my goals and visions for this channel. I do appreciate your feedback and your comments. I recently had a visit with someone that used to come in my antique shop, I really enjoyed that visit because I think I needed it. Was just wondering where I was going to go, and she sparked some creative juices in me that I want to share with you. I want to focus more on things that people can use in their own homes, and I do want to stay focused on sewing and woodworking because those are my most favorite things. And I love gardening, so I will bring some gardening DIYs, not so much gardening itself, but tools for gardening, things for your garden, those types of projects. I will work on getting my videos shorter, not so drawn out. I hope to accomplish that through sharing patterns. I know that people appreciate when you have DIYs, you get to the point, and I hope to get better with that over time. I want to be more intentional and focused in my videos, and I want to make sure, like I said, my videos are shorter than they have been, but packed with useful tips and ideas, and I think I have a lot of those to share with you. I want to create with you items that transform your home, transform your garden, that you can actually use and enjoy, and they just don't collect dust. That is going to be my focus for 2024. And I'm hoping that whether you're a beginner or a pro, you will find something here that inspires you. That is my biggest goal. So I hope you'll continue with me on my journey. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, which I'm very excited for. So thank you all so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas, a blessed 2024, and until the next video, God bless. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so that you never miss a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much. And if you have found value in this video, please like and comment.